Bonjour, I'm Solène Alganam. I am the head of the French department. I'm coming from the most visited country in the world, France. I would love to share my love of my home country with you. We offer a wide variety of courses, French 1 to French 4, 2 classes of French conversation, and a class taught in English about the French culture through cinema, where you will watch a wide variety of French movies and we compare the French culture with your own. Plus, the French department does lots of on-campus and off-campus activities with the French Circle. We do French cheese tasting, French picnics, we go to a museum to discover the art of France, we also go watch French plays, both in English and French. Finally, we are planning to do a study abroad, which encourages lots of our students to enroll in TAPIF to be a teaching assistant in English in a French school. Why study French? We have lots of success stories. Our students have worked and studied in French-speaking countries. We offer $500 scholarship available for students planning to continue their studies in French. They have won money in French poetry contests and received job offers. French is used internationally in business, so it looks great on resumes. It is vital for applications to universities and jobs. I'm looking forward to work with you and share my love for my culture and country. Please feel free to send me an email if you have any questions about our French program. Au revoir!